What is going on, guys? I didn't have an intro today because I didn't feel like recording one. So yeah. So this video that I have today has been requested over and over again from people that have been wanting to see this video. So pretty much I get a lot of requests saying, you know, you drive a BRZ, it's supposed to be like a track car, and you never send it down back roads, you never go down windy roads, you never do track days. What the frick? So this video, I was like, you know what? I think I should finally go ahead and send it down one of my favorite back roads and actually record it for you guys. Now, this back road is like one of the windiest ones I really know, and the only problem is a lot of times there's traffic back there, and it sucks because of that. Now, when I did it, I think I ended up running into like 2 cars there, which isn't as bad as usual, but sometimes it gets really, really bad back there. So I said, you know what? I have a camera always in my car. If you guys watched my wire tucking interior video, I have a dash cam in my car that records front and back, so I could record my face while recording the front of the car. Now, I'm not sure what was really going on with the camera itself, because I have all the settings how they should be, and I've never really recorded anything using this camera before for video purposes. So recording it was a little bit weird. So pretty much, I mean, there's a record button on there. You can just like save it right to the thing so it doesn't delete it. But I didn't know how quality was gonna look. I don't know how audio was gonna sound until I reviewed the video. So before, I would have just, you know, hooked up a GoPro to either my windshield inside or on the outside of the car, because the GoPro can do that sort of stuff. And it always, you know, it never really fails. But the thing with GoPros is quality is always just a little bit weird, I feel like. That's why I never use the GoPro anymore. If I had a nicer GoPro I could hook up a microphone to, I might be convinced to use that for like in-car stuff. But when I'm recording in-car stuff now, I just use my old vlogging camera because it's small enough to fit on my windshield and the quality is quite decent. When I was recording this, it makes 2 files. One for the inside camera, one for the outside camera. So I was like, okay, well, this will be a cool looking thing because you can actually see me driving. Not really sure how wide angle it is, but you'll be able to see me driving. It should be a cool concept. So I turned the microphone on, I pressed record, did my driving, and then I reviewed the file. And for some strange reason, the file had no like audio at all. And after recording, I kind of realized that the quality is probably the same exact quality as like a GoPro or something, and it's nothing really like special. I'll show you guys the clip here in a good second, because you know it's some quality driving. But I'm just giving you a warning. Bear with me with like the video quality, and bear with me on audio quality, because it's not anything what I expected, because I was expecting a lot more from it. It was a cheaper camera that I got for Christmas, but I thought it was gonna be like sufficient enough to do actual driving footage. But I mean, it meant for getting in accidents and needing evidence and proof for things. So it's not really like designed for, oh, let's do some cool driving footage, this should look really badass, let's do this. It's not designed for that, but I was hoping to be able to do that a little bit better. So here's the driving footage. Now, I sped it up a little bit in the beginning because, you know, I wanted to show you like the whole clip of how it is, and I got stuck behind some cars, but you should get the gist of it from this little clip. Now again, I am gonna apologize for the quality of the actual driving clip, and I have no clue why the audio didn't work, because it should have been working, but it didn't. So when I have my camera on, it's set to the highest quality settings, and it's set to have audio on and all that sort of stuff, but for some reason it didn't want to do that. So I'm not really sure. This camera also says it's supposed to have a battery in it, so when you're not in your car it still records, and for some reason it's not doing that either. So I'm not really sure what's going on with this thing. I'm not sure if I got a faulty one or it's not advertised correctly or what has it, but that's the kind of quality it records in, and I'm not sure how I feel about that, because let's say I need a license plate number. I don't think you can get one from this. So that was the little driving thing I did though, because I get requested, or I get people requesting me doing driving footage all the time. So if you guys like driving clips, I could hook up my GoPro, because it might be a little bit better quality than this, and it'll have audio that actually works. It might be a little muffled, but the audio will work. And I can just maybe hook up this camera somewhere so I can still have two cameras, because some people like to watch the driving footage as well. So I could possibly do something like that. So if that's something you guys want, drop a comment about it, and that's something I'll do again. And also, if you guys wanted another little update on the car, I don't know why I did that, because it is an update on the car. So my last video, I said my car was feeling a bit sluggish. Was that last video or 2 videos ago? It might have been a few videos ago. I'm not really sure where I'm at. So it looks like my tuning job did not actually fix my car. So I'm 99% sure it's my spark plugs going out, because I got popcorn tuned on there. And when you're dumping extra fuel onto your spark plugs, it's probably not the best for them. So I'm gonna have to order new spark plugs. So whenever I have another day off, maybe on a weekend or something, and it's not freezing, I'm gonna have to do my spark plugs. Now that's gonna be an interesting one, because if you guys don't drive Subarus or know anything about Subarus, we got flat engines and our pistons and spark plugs are on the sides. So that's definitely gonna be an interesting project. And if I wanted to go to the dealership to do it, I read that's gonna be $250 to do. So I'm definitely gonna have to do that myself, and I'm definitely gonna have to record a video on that, because I know a lot of people are gonna wanna see how to actually do it on a Subaru. I've never done it. I've only done spark plugs on a Dodge Dart, and it wasn't very difficult to do. So it's gonna be an experience and a half to actually learn how to do that. There is also just a lot of work I want to do on the car in general that's more of a maintenance-y thing. I'm not sure if you guys actually want to see those kinds of videos, but if you guys do want to see more of a maintenance sort of video, please let me know, because I need to fix my trunk because it's still kind of scratched up. So I do want to recompound the entire thing. I might try to find a different compound to do it, but if that's something you guys want to see or how to do it or walk through of it, I can definitely do that for you guys. I was planning to try to record that day anyways, so if you guys want to see me trying to fix all the imperfections of the trunk, let me know. I got a lot of stuff I gotta do on that day, so it might make for a really interesting video, or might make for a really dry and boring video. I'm not really sure yet, so we're gonna have to figure that one out. Man, this camera just completely fell off of my windshield. That just scared me, because that's never happened before. I think I am gonna leave you guys off here today and stop my rambling, because I got my point across of what I was trying to show you guys. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So if you guys could just do one big favor, because we're getting really close to hitting my all-time goal of subscribers. So if you guys could please hit that subscribe button, that would be so dope. I think the last time I checked, I was at 913, 914. And that's just crazy of how close we're getting to that 1,000. 1,000 is that all-time goal, because 1, it's 4 digits. 2, you start getting monetization rights. That's not gonna come for a while, because daddy needs watch time over here. But it's stuff that I didn't think I was ever gonna be able to achieve, and it's something that when I started this, it's man, I want that. It's gonna take forever, but we're really close now, and I'm getting really excited about it. I'm planning a giveaway once I hit that 1,000, and hopefully when I get that giveaway and hit that 1,000, my channel starts to blow up a little bit more than it is going, and that'd be so cool to actually see. If I get a paycheck from YouTube, that would be super crazy and incredible, because it's something that I've always wanted, but I never really thought me personally would be able to achieve. So if you guys could just please hit that subscribe button, that would be awesome. I noticed in my analytics 60% of my viewers aren't even subscribed. I don't know what you guys are doing, man, but you guys should subscribe. So gonna leave you guys off here then. So comment, like, subscribe, keep doing that fun stuff. Commenting, like, and subscribing is all that fun stuff. I like reading your guys' comments. I like commenting back. It makes me feel good when you guys comment and enjoy my videos. If you guys have any recommendations or suggestions that you guys want to see on the channel, don't be afraid to comment that, or go on my Instagram and message me something that you guys want to see, because I'm down for new ideas and I'm down to do stuff that you guys want to see. This driving stuff is easier for me to record because I work a full-time job. So like when I'm going to work, I can just put my camera up and talk to it, so it makes it easier. But if you guys have suggestions, please let me know. So comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Keep doing you guys. I'll catch you guys next time, and peace out. Peace.